awesome week at the library.
We do.
We have 2 really exciting things coming up on Monday, right?
Yes, we do. We've got 2 adult programs tonight. We've got Ed McClanahan at 6 o'clock. He is the celebrated Kentucky author. He will be reading and discussing his new book, Not Even Immortality Lasts Forever. And then we also have, at 6 o'clock, Tabletop RPGs. So if you're interested, if you've never played before, you're just interested, or if you've played before and you're really into it, come on down. If you're in Dungeons and Dragons or Pathfinder or anything like that, any kind of tabletop role-playing game, come on down. We're going to just be having some casual gaming sessions, and you can meet people that are interested in the same thing.
Yeah, and that'll be upstairs in the teen area.
Yes, it will be. Mm-hmm.
Awesome. Sweet. Well, I want to highlight one of our 6-week sessions we have going on. We have Countdown to Kindergarten for ages 4 to 5. These are preschoolers that are heading to kindergarten in the fall. And Margie Moore is our programmer who runs these, and she's awesome.
Yes.
And she's just really fun activities and story times that help kids with school readiness. So you can sign up for that. It's Tuesday at 6:30 or Thursday at 11 a.m. and they always have a blast. So
yes, very important.
Very important and really, really fun. I saw what they were doing the other night and I was like, I want to hang out. Like, this looks fun. Friday at 11 a.m. it's our Leap Day celebration here at the library.
Yay!
So it only comes every 4 years, and if you're a fan of 30 Rock, you can wear your yellow and blue. 30 Rock, they celebrate Leap Day, so wear your yellow and blue to the library that day if you'd like. As well, we have the Friends book sale this week.
Yes, we do. The Friends preview starts on Tuesday evening, and so if you're a Friends member, come on down Tuesday. It's going to be starting, and it's open to the public Wednesday starting at 10. So come on down this week.
And Saturday's Big Box Day.
Yes,
that's my favorite
from 10
day.
to 2. Box Day, you can get great deals.
Yes. Well, Stacy, what are you reading this week?
I am reading a contemporary romance named Don't Want to Miss a Thing by Jill Mansell. It is a British contemporary fantasy for the people who love that. I do.
Yeah.
And let's see here. The main character in the book, his sister died unexpectedly.
Oh.
And he was named the guardian for her small child. The baby is about 8 months old or so, I think, and he has to completely change his lifestyle. He moves out to the country to take care of the baby, gives up all of his single lifestyle.
His bachelor life.
His bachelor life. And it's just a really sweet story of him taking care of her, but then also the neighbors and the whole small town and all of the things that go along with that. It's very sweet. It's just a feel-good story.
Sometimes we need those. Those. I just finished Little Fires Everywhere by Celeste, which it's very popular right now, and it's going to be made into a Hulu miniseries, kind of like Big Little Lies, starring Reese Witherspoon. And it's about it's a domestic fiction. The beginning of the story is someone has lit this really nice house on fire.
Oh my gosh.
And that's how the story begins. And it's a story of 2 families in the worlds they live in and how different they are from each other and how the same they are. It takes place in 1998, so it's a throwback, but it feels very much like today. So it's really good if you're interested in that. And I listened to half of it, and then I had to turn it back in because someone else wanted it. So I read the other half of it. So It's a very good audiobook or just reading it. So
wonderful. Yeah. That sounds great.
Yeah. Well, we hope you have a great week, and we'll see you soon at the library. And happy Leap Day.
Yes, happy Leap Day.
Bye.
Bye-bye.